Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Driven Wyld. Today we are talking about transferring funds from Doordash Crimson. So recently I got an email from one of my subscribers, Winston Henry. Thank you so much for emailing me about this and making this video possible. He asked me a question about transferring funds on the platform, and as I was thinking about the answer to this, I realized how much I had not gone over on this subject. So in this video, we are talking about everything you must know about transferring funds from Doordash Crimson, what they tell you versus how it actually is, and everything in between. But before we do that, let's go over a quick disclaimer. The content of this video does not contain, is never intended to be, legal, business, financial, tax, or health advice of any kind. This video is for entertainment purposes only. It is advised that you conduct your own research and consult qualified professionals before applying anything you find online. I also want to be clear that everything that we're going to be going over is not simply market dependent, but it's also very case by case. And what applies to me in my life may not apply to you. So with that said, let's get started. Is this card safe to use to transfer to your regular bank account, and why they need your data to do all that? Trust them? I don't know. What do you think? So first off, super reasonable question about Doordash as a company. That said, they would already have your bank info if you signed up and had a weekly direct deposit. So that's not all that abnormal. Nothing really changes there. Second, in my opinion, based on the experience of being a DoorDasher on the platform for any length of time, the concern isn't so much, should I tell them where to send my money? More like, should I allow DoorDash to hold my money for an extended period of time? The reality is that DoorDash has displayed through various parties, some of which I actually went over on this channel, that they are willing to remove a person from the platform and keep their money for all the work that they did and steal their services. Yes, theft of services is a thing, and they wouldn't think twice about doing that. That was one of the benefits of having FastPay. You may pay $1.99 to have it transferred into your bank account instantaneously, and DoorDash can't do shit about it. Payments are usually transferred directly to your bank account within 2 to 3 days. Most report that it is actually a next day transfer or even less time than that, but it is phrased that way for legal purposes. This is a little bit slower than FastPay, but it costs less to keep your money out of the hands of DoorDash long term. Although I will say there are also times that are reported where it takes even longer, so do what you will with that information. You can receive notifications about delays in transfer needs. You can see error messages to resolve issues. Some common issues include bank issues, transfer issues, and debit card issues. Again, this goes into the category of a banking dependent thing, a market dependent thing, a case by case issue. And that said, some people are reporting that they transfer it to Cash App or PayPal and not to worry as much about it, but I don't know. I feel like that's just an extra step. I'm sure there are some people who will make a point about using the card for cashback purposes because they do offer like 2 or 3% cash back on gas. They initially offered 3%, then it dropped down to 2 for some people. But you could get the same rate, if not a better rate, on most credit cards, and you build your business credit if you're doing it right. I didn't say accumulate debt. I said build your business credit. I will go over that in a different video. And these cards would be completely unassociated with DoorDash. And that said, if you are actually looking for ways to make extra money, it would be wise for you to diversify your gig portfolio, develop an exit strategy, and remember that the gig economy is an income bridge to what would be a long-term goal and not the goal. To make sure you have a banking system that is more generalized and suited to your business needs as your business and financial prowess grows. And learn from people that are on the grind with you and building their own businesses and gig portfolios. One of the best places you can accomplish that is through the Driven Wyld Discord server. The Driven Wyld Discord community is exclusive for gig workers looking to expand their knowledge and expertise in their self-employment and entrepreneurial journeys. I've partnered with high-level professionals to bring you some of the most exclusive benefits based on your personal needs as a gig worker. Exclusive professional opportunities and gig postings, live streams with high-level professionals in our industry, educational systems designed to help you build your own dispatch company, as well as other scalable opportunities. Driven Wyld is also kicking off its dispatching for beginners course, and we are changing the game and transforming how businesses serve customers and how gig gig workers get more opportunities. So whether you're a gig worker looking for more opportunities to earn or an exit strategy because the gig economy is an income bridge to what would be a long-term goal and not the goal, and you would like to see something with more growth potential and more scalability, there is something here for you. Check the link in the description and get started with making the most amount of money in the least amount of time and in the safest possible way. We are excited and looking forward to helping you secure your financial future. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. As always, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys next time.